Hi everybody, welcome back. It's me again, and today I'd like to talk about the correct way to use go to. Let's jump into this and I'll show you some examples. It's okay to say go to Tokyo. Yep. And it's okay to say go to a friend's house, right? But you can't say go to abroad, you can't say go to overseas, and you can't say go to somewhere. All right? No, because Tokyo is a very specific place. Your friend's house is a very specific place. But abroad, where? Overseas, where? Somewhere, but where? It's not specific. In that case, we take out the to and we say go abroad, go overseas, go somewhere, and of course, go anywhere, go there, go everywhere, and a special case, go home. That's a special case. Go to my house, go home. Okay? All right, so please remember those next time you're speaking English, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.